Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jihan. Today we will be making some easy Oreo microwavable cookies. For this recipe, you will need 1 packet of Oreos crushed, 1 cup chocolate. You can use white chocolate or milk chocolate, 60 grams of butter, 165 grams of self-rising flour, 75 grams of sugar, 30 grams of milk, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Step 1. Get a zipline bag and put the Oreos in. Then start crushing it until it is all crushed. Once it is all crushed, put it in a bowl. Step 2. Melt half cup of butter. Then put the butter in a bowl. Step 3. Add the 1 cup of chocolate in the bowl and mix it well. Step 4. Add the flour and mix it well. Then add the milk. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt and mix it well. Once you've mixed the whole mixture, then start rolling the mixture into balls. Then, put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Enjoy! I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. See you all next time. Bye!